Hello guys, review Motorola Edge 60, this version 12GB memory and 256GB storage, open box and look completion. In completion we have only key for SIM slot, USB-C to USB-C cable and protected back cover. Okay. Triple camera on the back side, on the front side 6.7-inch display, power button, wall buttons, downside Type-C, speaker, microphone and slot for nano SIM cards. Turn on device. We have OLED display, 120 Hz, Full HD Plus resolution, 6.7-inch. We have Android 15. Okay, close this. And open Geekbench 6. Talk about system information. We have CPU with Dimensity 7300, 4+4 cores, and Mali G615. Look results, single core score, multi-core score results, and GPU test results. Look onto the benchmark. Onto the benchmark score, very good, and run PUBG Mobile, look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load, and load on the high graphic level.
Get in the car.
Game works good. Okay, close this. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.